Hey guys, Rick from Sonance here, back with another video. In this video we will continue the how to select the style start to finish. In the first part we make the drums, and the second part we make the bass, so now we're gonna make the plucks. We're gonna make it with our new pack, Future Selection. So if you want templates in the style of Don Diablo, select it. 30 presets and 5 drum loops, make sure to check it down below. So the end result will sound something like this. So now let's dive into the pluck. We're gonna use this melody. I will explain it in a bit. First let's make a pluck. So open up a syrup, select in the preset. We're gonna use the Juno wavetable. Put out 3 units in and lower down the detune. Just like this. Enable the filter, low 24. For us to the beat, we're gonna use the basic word. Is this one. Put it up 1 octave and select as same. Just run here. So that's it for the oscillators. Now let's save it to the filter. Put on the drive, lower down the cutoff and shape envelope 2 like this. Put the sustain and decay bit. Just try here. So lower down the cutoff a bit. It's a bit too much. And put a fatness. And that's it for the oscillator section. Now let's dive into the effects section. So first we're gonna use the hyper dimension. We're not gonna use the hyper, only dimension. Just like this. Just like this. Then add some distortion. We're gonna use the tube. Lower down the mix. Just like this. Then we're gonna use the phaser effect. Just make it a bit wider. Same for the chorus. Then we're gonna use some OTT. Enable the multiband. Just like this. Then add some EQ. Cut down the lows and boost the highs. Just like this. The OTT is a bit too much, so around here. Then add some reverb and delay. Just like this. And to finish up the sound, we're gonna make it a bit pluckier, so route envelope 3 to the chorus pitch. Just like this. So to finish up the sound, we're gonna open up the filter a little bit more. Just like this. Lower down the drive a bit. Like this. And there you have just select the style pluck. So now let's dive into the mix down. So we're gonna EQ it, cut out the lows, and boost the highs. Just like this. And then give some sidechain. Just like this. So in the track it sounds like this. So the kick's too loud. Lower it down. Just like this. We're only going to use the bass in the second part of the drop, so do it like this. So only the sub and the pluck. Just like this. Perhaps a bit too loud as well. So lower it down. Are a bit too loud as well, so lower it down as well. Like this, and then lower down the bass as well. Just like this. So then add a limiter to the master. there you have your selected style track. So the end results sound like this. So that's it. If you like the video, please leave a like. If you want to see more, hit the subscribe button. And if you want more of these sounds, check out future selection.